The O4 Air unit leaks are back, but this time we're getting the full picture. We already saw hints of the Pro version a couple of months ago, but now the leaks confirm it's not flying solo. There's also a standard version. From beefed up cooling to sleek new designs, there's plenty to get excited about. Let's jump into what these new leaks are showing us. DJI insider Jasper Ellens just dropped more leaks, including photos and technical drawings of the O4 Air unit lineup. The Pro version, it's as rugged as ever, with dual antennas and a noticeable cooling system upgrade. Its camera, marked 1/1.3, f2.8, hints at a step up in image quality too. It is superior to the O3 Air unit in terms of light sensitivity, dynamic range, and overall image quality due to its larger size. A previous leak suggested a wider aperture, but the latest one indicates an aperture similar to the O3 unit. This leaves me with a few lingering doubts. The standard version, meanwhile, keeps things slim and simple. It features a smaller camera module and a more compact build, ideal for pilots looking for something lightweight. Both models stick with the familiar 6-pin connection, so they should slot right into DJI's existing ecosystem. Here's why the Pro version is the star of the show. A visible heatsink setup for better cooling and longer flights, dual antennas that should boost signal reliability, a more substantial camera design that teases some image improvements, a rugged pro-grade build for heavy-duty use. The O3 Air unit set the bar high with 1080p at 100 frames per second video and ultra-low latency, but the O4 looks ready to take things further. The Pro version especially seems focused on addressing common pain points, like overheating, while delivering better performance for serious FPV pilots. This leak shows DJI doubling down on giving pilots options. The Pro version is clearly aimed at professionals who need rock-solid reliability, while the standard version is perfect for enthusiasts who want something straightforward. And that improved cooling? It's a win for anyone pushing their gear hard. Which one has your attention? The feature-packed Pro or the sleek standard version? Let us know in the comments. And if you're loving these leaks, don't forget to subscribe for more updates on DJI's latest. Peace out.